Hey lovelies, so I might be doing a little vlog whilst I'm in Antigua. I'll try and, you know, take you guys around with me and show you different stuff that I'm up to and different places and so on. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you guys are all well. And yeah, subscribe. Nastygal, so cute. It's giving me a tropical vibe. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day. This is a beach cover up from Nastygal as well. And I'm wearing my Prada sunnies. It's very hot today, guys. Like literally like 33 degrees. So hot. So I've got my sunscreen on. And this is my dress all the way to the floor. Nice little beach cover up. Doesn't really have a great shape to it, but it will do. And we're off to the pool. Peace. Hi guys, good morning. Reporting from Antigua. It's a beautiful day out and we're just gonna go have some lunch with friends. I'm wearing my key Australia sunnies, they're a little bit twisted. And yeah, just enjoying the weather and having a good time. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our hangout spot for the day. And this is boom. Boom, boom, boom. Shells are what? Please don't break the glass.
This guy's good.